pathway has been provided in part by...
Imagination nurtures bright futures. Through resources in English and Spanish, PNC Grow Upgrade helps foster the curiosity of young learners to amplify their dreams.
And by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the American people, these generous supporters, and by viewers like you. Thank you.
It's the really awesome PBS Kids Activity Challenge. Looking for something fun to do with your friends? Your grandma? How about your brother's dirty gym socks? PBS Kids challenges you to take on this awesome activity right now. So get up and get sniffing with a game of Sniff and Tell.
Moray eels don't see too well, but we sure have a strong sense of smell.
Really? I never knew that.
In fact, my sniffer tells me there's a snack around here somewhere.
Sounds
With your grandma's help, start your Sniff and Tell by gathering safe things like cheese, soap, grass, pine needles, dirty socks, and more. Now blindfold a friend and have them sniff and guess what it is, but not too close. Take turns with the blindfold. Take turns sniffing and telling.
So?
Get up, and start your really awesome PBS Kids Activity Challenge now.
There are so many ways to watch PBS Kids. Sometimes I watch in my living room with my little sister, in the kitchen.
Maybe not that many ways. Wherever I watch videos, I watch PBS Kids.
There's a show on PBS Kids with this girl named Lyla who loves to make stuff and figure things out.
We can do it! Now this is art.
Seriously?
Next on Austin PBS Kids.
Do you love story time? We're looking for amazing writers to participate in the 2024 Austin PBS Writers Showcase. Stories must be written and illustrated by kids in kindergarten to 5th grade and can be in English or Spanish. We'll feature all of these amazing stories on our website, and all the authors will receive a certificate. Some will even be invited to our Writers Showcase event and receive prizes. For more information, go to austinpbs.org/writers. Deadline for entry is March 31st.
Support provided by Challenger School, dedicated to inspiring children to embrace challenge and find joy and self-worth through achievement. We have 3 North Austin campuses and offer drop-in tours anytime. Learn more at challengerschool.com.
Lyla in the Loop is made possible in part by...
This may look like a lot, but tonight is taco night. By your side for over 130 years. McCormick, proud sponsor of PBS Kids.
And by a ready-to-learn grant from the U.S. Department of Education, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the American people. And by viewers like you. Thank you.
Lyla in the Loop.
Yeah, Lyla's in the loop. Lyla in the loop.
Lyla in the Loop. Round and round what's new. Now you can jump into Lyla in the Loop. Got a big idea? Step it out. Break it down. Now put it all together. Loop around and around. You got what it takes to imagine and discover that we can solve it one way and another and another. So keep trying, thinking, asking. Now we're building, now we're laughing. We keep running, ideas flowing. Let's get going. Lyla in the Loop. Piece of cake.